Tech, and thank you for choosing this video. If today is your first time watching my video, I welcome you once again. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys website where rich and kind people give out free money. Yes, these people are willing to give money to those who are in need financially, okay, being it education, being it taking a course and you want to pay your school fees, you're finding it difficult. You want to rent a house and you're finding it difficult to rent a house, accommodation, and that a lot of things. There are a lot of things these people are willing to help people paying medical bills. So all they have to do is that just go to any of these websites that I'm going to introduce you, just create your page, describe your financial situation there, and these people are willing to donate for you to get you out of the problem you are. So without wasting much of your time, let me take you to my screen and show you all these platforms. Please don't forget to smash the like button and share the video. So the first platform that I'll talk about is beggingmoney.com. beggingmoney.com. So this is how it looks like. So when you come here, you see 3 simple steps. So you just have to come here and look at how you'll be able to set your page. Now, this platform is a platform where individual creates pages and explain their financial needs to these range of people, these kind people, these rich people who are willing to donate to help you get out of your financial needs. So this is how the sites do look like. So you just have to come here and you see ask for money. So you see donation request. You can donate. People, you can request for donation and people will be sharing, share money for you to overcome your needs. So you just have to fill this form. Post the title, of your donation, and then write a message to explain, okay, in a paragraph about 400 words to explain what you are going to use the money for, what actually what you need. Okay, then you fill all these requirements here, and then after that you hit on submit. Okay, so you just submit your page, you just submit your form, and people are just going to donate to support your problem of paying your school fees. If you have a problem of paying for rent, health situations, people are just there to help you to overcome these problems. So just go to this platform, which is beggingmoney.com, create your page there, and people will donate to support you. Now the next platform I will talk about is Go Get Funding. Go Get Funding. So this is how this also look like. You say start fundraising. So you're just going to start fundraising to support you. So as you can see, I have my own here and it's under review, is pending. I'm not yet completed, so it will be live for people to support me. So when you scroll down, you will see a lot of people who have their fundraising here for people to support them. So how are you going to also go about this platform? So you just start fundraising. When you click here, you click on start fundraising and you see start fundraising, let's get you started. Then you just state the title of your fundraising, okay, what actually you need, you describe it well. Okay, so you scroll down, you see, you select your country, any country, Ghana, Egypt, US, every country is included. So just go on and then you donation type, the type of donation that you need. You can set the amount that you need for donation, either for school, for education, and then you just fill all these information here, and then you just submit your page or just submit your form for people to donate for you to solve your financial problem. So these are the 2 platforms where rich people and those people who are kind share or give out free money to support needy people. You just need to explain the financial needs. We just explain in details what you need, and people are willing to just share or to donate to support you. Guys, this is how you will be able to get this free money from these rich and kind people. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like the video. See you. Bye bye.